Good morning, everyone. Today we will continue with the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind from the English literature reader Beehive. So, till now we have read that Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Germany. So, his mother, when he was a small child, when Albert Einstein was a small child, so that time his mother thought that he was a freak because his head seemed unusually large and he did not speak also till the age of 2.5. So when he started speaking, so that was the time he used to utter twice. As a child, he had the love for the mechanical toys and he preferred being by himself. And the headmaster of the school also, he told his father that no matter what career Einstein would choose, he would never be successful in that. He used to play violin and later on he became a gifted violinist, and he went to a high school in Munich and he left that at the age of 15 because there was strict regimentation and he could not adjust himself there. His parents had to move to Milan and they left him in Munich with the relatives. So he continued he continued his education in a city much more liberal than Munich. So he was interested in physics and he was highly gifted in mathematics also. So Albert, he fell in love with Mileva Maric, whom he thought was a clever creature. Let's start from paragraph 9, page number 48 of your textbook. One of the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Absolute means measured in itself, not in relation to anything else. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey, if one of them has been moving very fast relative to the other. From this followed the world's most famous formula, which describes the relationship between mass and energy, that is, E is equal to mc square, where E stands for the energy, m stands for mass, and c is for the speed of light in vacuum. And vacuum means where there is no air, and the speed of the light in vacuum is 300,000 kilometers per second. So now in this, what is given here is, it is given that according to this, in the year 1905, Einstein, he published his first paper. So it was about special theory of relativity. So in this publication, he wrote that time and distance, they are not absolute, they depend on something else. So just to show this, what he did was, he took two perfectly accurate clocks, and he said that they will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey. So what he did was, he said that if there are two clocks and both of them are moving, then they will not show the same time. One of the clock will move faster than the other. So then what he did was, he derived the basic formula E is equal to mc square. So this is a formula that you might have studied in physics. So just to explain this, to put into simpler words, Einstein said that when you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. On the other hand, when you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. That's relativity. So, person would feel the timing differently. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. That means starting to fail. Albert had wanted to marry Millever right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Millever, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Millever's intelligence. "She is a book like you," his mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. So now in this, what is given here is, though he was solving the complicated problems of physics for the world, but what was happening was, like, his personal life was becoming more difficult, and it started to fail also. And Albert Einstein, although he wanted to marry Millever Merrick soon after his studies were over, but the mother, she was against this. So Albert's mother was against this, and she felt that the girl, Millever Merrick, she was 3 years elder to Albert Einstein, and she felt that she was very old for him. So the mother, she thought that Millever was very felt that she was very intelligent to be a wife, and she told Einstein that she was it's written that she is like you, his mother said. So in this, he said that although she was very intelligent, Millever was also like a book and was similar to him. So the mother did want Albert Einstein to get married to Millever, and it is Albert, he cancelled his wedding with Millever. The pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. Faltered is became weak. Millever, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and was becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. So now in this, it is given that Albert, he married Millever Merrick in the year 1903, and they had 2 sons. But after a few years, that was their marriage was becoming weak, and it is Millever, she was it had been mentioned by Einstein's mother that she is just like a book like you. So this shows that she is quite intelligent, but being a housewife, she was quite ambitious also, so she could not cope up with her ambitions. So she started becoming unhappy, and it is that there were constant fights that were going on between both of them. She was not able to fulfill her career dreams, and it was in 1919 that both of them divorced. And it was this Einstein, he married his cousin Elsa the same year.